Hello students, in previous video we learned about different threshing, winnowing, hand picking, sieving, etc. These methods are used to separate solid objects from solids. But today we are going to start another topic of this lesson, that is separation of soluble and insoluble material. So let's start first with sedimentation. Sedimentation is a process in which heavier component of a mixture settle down in the container. So it is called sedimentation process. Decantation is a process for the separation of mixture by removing a layer of liquid from the top after the heavier component of the mixture settles down. Method of decantation can be also be used for separating two immiscible liquid. Immiscible liquid means which liquid do not mix to each other. So you can see over here the process in which insoluble impurities settle down at the bottom of the liquid to form sediments. This process is sedimentation. After sedimentation, we collect liquid into another beaker without disturbing the sedimentation. This process is called decantation, and filtration is the process in which we separate an insoluble solid from a liquid by the filter paper. Students always remember that filtration cannot remove any solid substances which are dissolved in a liquid. It is separated by the process of evaporation. Now you know that evaporation is used to obtain solid substances that has dissolved in liquid. The process of evaporation is used on a large scale to obtain common salt from seawater. Now condensation is the process of conversion of water vapor into its liquid form is called condensation. Means vapor convert into liquid. Water is called condensation. Now we will take another, that is saturated solution. We can define a saturated solution like that: a solution in which no more substance can be dissolved at that temperature is called a saturated solution. For making saturated solution, take a cup of water in a beaker, add 1 teaspoon of salt and stir it well until the salt dissolves completely. Repeat this process until you can see that the same salt remaining undissolved and settled at the bottom of the beaker. The solution thus prepared, this is called the saturated solution. And you know that on cooling a saturated solution, the amount of substances dissolved in it decreases and settle at the bottom of the beaker. When you heat the substances, that time the saturation is maximum. Means larger quantity of mixture can be dissolved in water on heating. Okay. This is all about your chapter. I hope you understood well.